In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of a single Gmail account when you're logged into multiple accounts on your device. This process might seem a bit tricky at first, especially with the convenience of having all your email accounts at your fingertips. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring that you can easily manage your Gmail accounts without any hassle. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Make sure you're viewing the main Gmail homepage where you can see your inbox. If you're signed into multiple accounts, you'll often find your email addresses listed, typically on the top right corner of the page. Next, click on the circular profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually contains your profile picture or the initials of your name if you haven't set a profile picture. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu displaying all the accounts you're currently logged into. Now, in this drop-down menu, you'll need to identify the specific account you wish to sign out of. If you're unsure which account is which, you can check the email addresses listed next to each account. Once you've identified the right one, you'll notice that there's a Sign Out or Sign Out of All Accounts button, depending on how it's displayed. At this point, you may realize that there's no direct option to sign out of a single account if you're logged into multiple accounts. Here's the workaround. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google Account for the account you wish to sign out from. This will redirect you to a new page with various account settings. On this page, you'll want to navigate to the Data Personalization tab, usually found on the left-hand side menu. From there, scroll down to find the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for Your Data section. Click on the option labeled Delete a Service or Your Account. Now, don't worry, we're not going to delete your Gmail account. Here, you'll see a list of services, including Gmail. Next to it, there's a trash can icon. Hover over the icon and what you're looking for is the option to remove your account from the device. Depending on your browser settings, you might see a Remove this account or something along those lines. Click it and confirm your choice in the prompt if one appears. Finally, once confirmed, you'll be signed out of that specific Gmail account while remaining signed into any others. Keep in mind this method doesn't delete your account, it solely removes it from showing on the current browser session, giving you privacy and control over your multiple Google accounts. I hope this guide makes managing your Gmail accounts a lot more straightforward. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and if you have any other tech questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.